Hi team, today we are going to see on API integration in Eclipse. So initially, I'm going to explain the process for the API integration. So first, you have to uh, go for new project and click Maven project. Click next. And just create a simple project, or you can also go for default workspace location if you have a separate workspace. We have to give the name for the project which I have created. So I'm giving us API integration. Okay, the project is created. And we can should see the structure as main text, JR is the library, is the target segment, format segment. Main project as all the main project structure will be like this with all the folders. So this format XML is main because we will add the dependencies inside the format XML. So for the rest assured, we have the few dependencies which I will be explaining now. So yeah, this is the tag, project tag, and this is the end tag. Within the project, we have to mention the dependencies by adding dependencies tag. So within the dependencies open and close tag, we have to enter all the dependencies for the rest assured. So to add the dependencies, we need to go to we have to go to Maven dependency. So Maven repository is we have to click the Maven repository. When we type as like we have to type as Maven repository. So when you search Maven repository, you have to go for the first link. Inside the first link, we'll have the search for groups, artifacts, and categories. So we need to check for the dependency which are needed for us. So we need rest assured. So when you click rest assured, we have that io.rest assured, rest assured. So we have to click this. And we have the IO rest assured JSON path, JSON schema validator, and XML path. We need all these four dependencies. So first we go with rest assured. So we are going to add the version just mostly used. So we go for 5.5.0. So you have to click this. And once you scroll the page, you can see able to see the dependencies. So you have to copy this. And you have to paste it in form.xml. So likewise, you have to go for registration and JSON path. JSON path, you have to click and you have to go for. So all the versions should be same. If we have chosen 5.5.0, we have to maintain all versions to be same as 5.5.0. We have copied for IO registration and JSON path. Then we need JSON schema validator and XML path. JSON schema validator. XML path. We have copied the IO.rest issue dependencies, and we have few more dependencies also. So we need test engine, just a testing framework, which we need to execute the steps. So org.test engine, we have to click this. And we go for 7.10.2. Copy this and paste in forward XML. Another dependency we need is JSON. Is com dot google dot code dot JSON. So you can see this is a Java library used to convert Java objects into their JSON representation. So we need a JSON format for the API request. So for that, we are using this JSON. So like JSON. So we go for 2.1.1. Copy in dependency com.xml. Then another one package, last one, another two more you have JSON. So you go for org.json. And you can go for 20240303. And copy this. The last dependency is com.github plus type Java. We need to search for this one. Which is 8.3.1. So we have added all the dependencies which are required for this project. So now we are going to save this format XML. So you can see after initially there was only JS system library. Now we have got all the maven dependencies for the plugin for the dependencies which have been added. So you can see JSON path, JSON schema later. XML path, type Java core, SSO. So all the jar files have been automatically downloaded here. So now we have to create a class file. So before creating class file, you have to create a package name. So name package can give us name out. So inside the package only, we will be creating a class file. It's loading. They have given us given method class or Java. So these have the so API we have the conditions like given, when, then. So these methods are being used inside API classes. So inside the given we give the precondition, and when method we have the action what to be done for the particular API request, and then we check for the validations. So initially, the static imports are required for executing the test. So those static have been noted down. So these are the static methods which are required to work on the given when methods. Then only it will execute, else the methods will show error.